Little storyteller.
Nibbles, a little hamster with soft brown fur and bright black eyes, scurried around his cozy home. His home was full of soft bedding and tasty seeds. Today Nibbles had a wonderful idea. He found a strong twig, a long piece of string, and a big, empty sunflower seed. "I will build the great seed swing," he squeaked happily. He carefully tied the string to each end of the twig. Then he tied the other end of the strings to the sunflower seed, making a little seat. It looked just like a swing. Nibbles pushed the seed gently with his tiny paws. It swung back and forth. "Wee!" he squeaked. Just then his friend Pip, a fluffy white mouse with long whiskers, peeked into Nibbles' home. "What is that?" Pip asked, his nose twitching with curiosity. "It's the great seed swing," Nibbles said proudly. "Would you like a turn?" Pip's eyes widened. He carefully climbed onto the sunflower seed seat. Nibbles gently pushed the swing. Pip giggled as he swung back and forth. "This is so much fun," he squeaked with delight. Other little animals from the neighborhood came to try the great seed swing. There was a small spotted ladybug named Tot, a busy little ant named Andy, and a slow, gentle snail named Shelley. Each of them took turns swinging and laughing. Nibbles felt happy seeing his friends enjoy the swing he made. He learned that making something fun for others can bring a lot of joy. And all his friends learned that even small things, like a seed, can become something wonderful when you use your imagination.
Please subscribe. Thank you.